Finding a mobility aid that actually gives you freedom instead of just weighing you down is honestly harder than it should be. Today, I am showing you exactly which 2-in-1 walker wheelchair combos actually deliver and which ones you should probably skip. I have narrowed it down to the absolute best options on the market right now. And make sure you stick around for my #1 pick because the way it handles uneven pavement completely surprised me. Let us get into it. 6. Helavo 2-in-1 Walker Wheelchair Combo. I mean, it looks pretty decent straight out of the box, and it does function as a basic dual-purpose mobility aid. The frame feels reasonably sturdy when you are pushing it as a rollator. I took it for a spin around the neighborhood, and on completely flat surfaces, it glides fine. The transition process from walker to wheelchair is straightforward enough. You flip the backrest over, swing down the footrests, and you are basically good to go. The seat itself is padded and gives you a decent resting spot when your legs get tired. It does its job if you are just making a quick trip to the doctor clinic or navigating a smooth grocery store aisle. But here's where I start having some issues with it. Well, the overall weight distribution feels just a little clunky. When you use it as a transport chair and someone is pushing you, you really feel every single bump. The wheels just don't have the shock absorption you really want if you are going over anything rougher than perfectly poured concrete. And honestly, folding it up to put in the trunk is more of a workout than I expected. They call it lightweight, but it is noticeably bulkier to lift compared to some of the others on this list. If you have limited upper body strength, hoisting this into a taller sport utility vehicle might genuinely be a struggle. 5. VOCIC 2-in-1 Walker Wheelchair Combo. VOCIC usually makes pretty reliable medical gear, and the build quality here is definitely a step up from the previous model. The aluminum frame feels solid, and the metallic finish actually looks quite nice in person. You do not feel like you are pushing around hospital equipment. One thing I really appreciate about this model is the storage bag underneath the seat. It is surprisingly roomy. I managed to fit a decent-sized purse, a water bottle, and a jacket in there without it dragging on the ground. The handbrakes are also quite responsive, which gives you a good sense of control when you are walking down a slight incline. However, testing this one brought up a pretty annoying quirk. You know how footrests are supposed to clip securely out of the way when you are walking? Well, the ones on the VOCIC have a bad habit of rattling loose. I found myself accidentally kicking them a couple of times while walking at a brisk pace. It's just incredibly frustrating when you lose your walking rhythm because of a design oversight like that. Also, while the seat is wide enough, the backrest strap sits a bit too low. If you're sitting in it for more than 15 minutes, you start feeling this weird pressure on your lower back area. It just doesn't offer the ergonomic support you really need if you're relying on it for a long day out, like at a museum or a family gathering. 4. AKOASM Foldable 2-in-1 Rolling Walkers Wheelchair Combo. Let me explain why this one caught my attention. The folding mechanism on this chair is genuinely impressive. You literally pull up on the strap in the middle of the seat, and the whole thing collapses inward like an accordion. It is so much easier to handle than the standard folding style. When I tested it out at a local park, the maneuverability was a major highlight. The front wheels have a really smooth swivel action. You can take tight corners in small cafes or navigate crowded sidewalks without feeling like you are driving a bus. It just responds to your movements naturally. The transformation from walker to transport chair is also very sleek. The armrests flip up easily, allowing the user to sit down safely without having to twist awkwardly. And the seat material is this breathable mesh fabric. I definitely noticed it kept things much cooler during a long walk in the sun compared to the heavy vinyl seats on the previous models. The brakes on this one are also dual action. You squeeze up to slow down and push down to lock them completely. They engage with a very satisfying, secure click. Once those wheels are locked, this chair absolutely will not budge, which provides excellent peace of mind when you are sitting down or standing back up. It is a really solid middle-of-the-pack choice. The easy folding and breathable seat make it highly practical for everyday errands. 3. BigAlex 2-in-1 Rollator Walker Wheelchair Combo. This is where things start getting seriously good. The very first thing you notice about the BigAlex is how incredibly sturdy it feels. It has this reinforced cross-brace design that completely eliminates that side-to-side wobble you get with cheaper Rollators. I took this one over some grassy patches and packed dirt trails, and the difference is night and day. The 8-inch wheels are slightly wider, giving it a much better grip on uneven surfaces. It rolls over small pebbles and cracks on the sidewalk without that jarring shock traveling up into your hands. Comfort-wise, BigAlex really stepped it up. The backrest is thick, padded, and completely reversible. Whether you are facing forward as a transport chair or backward taking a break from walking, it actually supports your posture. The seat itself is also generously sized, making it comfortable for a wider range of body types. You know, the height adjustment on the handles is also totally tool-free and has a really wide range. Whether you're 5'2" or over 6 feet tall, you can find the perfect ergonomic height so you're not hunching over. It encourages proper walking posture, which is crucial for reducing back pain. If you want something that feels like a premium piece of equipment without completely breaking the bank, the BigAlex is wonderful. It handles mixed terrain beautifully and offers a really comfortable ride. It is a true workhorse of a mobility aid that you can genuinely rely on. ELENKER Rollator Walker Transport Wheelchair Combo. Let me tell you, this brand consistently delivers, and this specific model is an absolute joy to use. The frame is constructed from high-grade aluminum, making it remarkably light while still supporting a very high weight capacity. The standout feature here is the shock-absorbing suspension system built into the front forks. I mean, it is rare to find real suspension on a walker in this price range. I purposely pushed this over a cobblestone path, and the suspension soaked up the vibrations beautifully. It makes an incredible difference in comfort, especially if you have arthritis in your hands or wrists. The transition process is flawlessly smooth. The footrests easily detach and clip onto the side frame when not in use. You do not have to worry about them swinging around or rattling. The armrests are perfectly positioned for the user when it is in wheelchair mode, giving them a really secure feeling while being pushed. ELENKER also included a great under-seat storage bag that actually detaches. You can use it as a shoulder bag when you get to your destination, which is such a thoughtful, practical touch. The hand grips are ergonomically shaped to fit the palm of your hand, completely preventing hand fatigue during long walks. The ELENKER is a masterpiece of comfort and engineering. The built-in suspension alone makes it worth the investment. It almost took the #1 spot, but there is just one other model that edges it out in terms of pure, lightweight convenience. StrollAid 2-in-1 Walker Wheelchair Combo. I am going to be honest, I was blown away by this mobility aid. They somehow managed to pack premium, all-terrain features into a frame that is shockingly lightweight. When I first lifted it out of the box, I actually had to double-check that it was a full combo unit. The wheels on the StrollAid are large, puncture-proof, and designed with a specialized tread. It glides across thick carpets, grass, and bumpy sidewalks like they are nothing. The push effort required when using it as a transport chair is so minimal, the person pushing will barely break a sweat, even on slight inclines. What really sets it apart is the total comfort profile. The seat is perfectly contoured, and the backrest is fully adjustable. You can tweak the angle and the height until it fits you perfectly. You know that feeling when you sit in a chair that was just made right? That is exactly what the StrollAid feels like. The folding mechanism is practically effortless. It collapses with one hand into an incredibly compact profile that fits into the trunk of a tiny compact car with room to spare. And the brake cables are actually routed inside the frame. This means no snagging on doorknobs or getting tangled up when you are loading it into a vehicle. It is a brilliantly clean design. This is the gold standard for walker wheelchair combos right now. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.